Birds are right in that clump of grass right to the right. Dog's not seeing anything. She's not scenting it. Doesn't seem to have a clue they're there. Not much breeze today and about 15-degree weather. Almost directly on top of the bird. Bringing her around to the other side, maybe to catch the wind that way. Still not a clue. Want to show it to her and see what she does? It's not scenting anything. I'm going to actually show her the bird. See if that helps. Not so much. Wants to play with the bird, but we're not pointing the bird. That's good enough. And try to get her tail up. Nope, she just wants to play. Nope, no interest in this dog in hunting. But she'll make a lovely house pet.